divide 840 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 7. So we put down this 4 and it is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we have remaining this 0 which we can take here. So 840 divided by 7 is 120. So this much for today and thanks for watching.